What's up, guys? In this video I am going to show you how to make a squeeze page. Now I'm using ClickFunnels, which is obviously like the best funnel building software that exists and has ever existed. And if you're using anything else, you're basically an idiot, and you should go sign up for ClickFunnels right now before you watch this video, preferably through my affiliate link so I get paid. But if not, you're basically a bad person. Okay, so let's look at this, because this is a squeeze page that I made for a service that I run that sends out business book summaries every day. So very simple, right? Sign up now to get your free business book summaries. You don't have time to read all those books, do you? Put your email, sign up, done. That's it. And then you have something here: we will not spam, rent, or sell your information. Maybe we'll spam them a little bit. We'll see. Yeah, so basically that's a squeeze page. Like basically headline, subheadline, email like form thing, and button. And the headline is actually also your call to action. Now this is the way that I've done it. There's a million ways to do it. Obviously, like this is not the one only way to make a squeeze page. But this works for me. I got a pretty good, what's it called, opt-in rate off of this. Now, of course, it's a free service. Let's see, like 23%. It's pretty darn good. I believe I tested this. No, I didn't. Just kidding. So 24%, 53 emails from that. That's pretty good, you know? I mean, obviously I'm not trying to sell anything, and they don't have to like download a PDF, so it's like fewer steps for them. But I'm very happy with this. Like I'm totally cool with this as a style, which is why I kind of don't think you need anything more complicated. But just for fun, let's take a look at some of the other templates they have here, because ClickFunnels provides a lot of templates. Maybe one of these is like more appropriate for you. So you've got, you know, this one with like the black guy here and some headline about something. This one with the lady, how to get all these visitors, looks a little corporate. This just looks like, you know, a mom who like has a blog or something. Maybe a fashion thing over here. Depends what you're selling, right? I guess you could say that like you want to design your squeeze page in a way that you are kind of like speaking to your target audience. But in my experience, like I said, like not necessary at all. Like just tell them what they get, tell them why they need it, because they don't have time to read all those books, and then just let them do it, right? Just like minimal thinking involved, minimal mental processing. All of these are cool, but personally I prefer like these ones that are labeled vintage, because they're just very simple. You know, it's none of this like fancy stuff here that like, you know, I feel like sometimes companies, they feel like they need to come out with new stuff even when the old stuff is working fine, just so they are coming out with something new, even though it's not necessarily better, the new stuff. But then again, it could be better. I'm not an expert, so what do I know? Yeah, I mean, honestly, like for a squeeze page, like, do you need a video? Probably not. I mean, again, test, you know, what do I know? But anyway, let's just look at one of these. I'm, again, partial to simple ones like this. Like, let's take a look at this one. Warning, discover the shocking truth of how to save 10 times more on your taxes each year by adjusting this one line on your taxes. Just enter your first name and best email address below now, and we'll send it instantly to your inbox. See? Easy, simple. I like it. Let's do it. So we click on select template. And basically, like, all we have to do is edit it a little bit. Now, let's say we're not selling some weird like tax adjustment thing, because like who pays their taxes, seriously? Discover the shocking truth of how to save 10 times more on your taxes. Okay, so we can leave this. Discover the shocking truth of how to, I don't know, let's see. What do we want to sell? Of how to get 10 times more visitors to your website without using paid ads. Exclamation point, because that's important. Now, if we want to keep this, we can leave it as warning, or maybe we can write attention, or excuse me. Maybe not excuse me. I'm just playing around. Let's keep it with warning. Should probably be more serious in these videos, but I just can't do it. Okay, just enter your email. Just enter your first name and best email address below. Okay, so generally, like they say that like to improve your conversion rate, if you can get away with it, don't make them enter their name. Obviously, if this is like a lead form, like a proper lead form for like real estate or like, you know, dentist or something, you need their name and their phone number and all that so you can follow up with them. But if we're selling information products, then we don't necessarily need that. So let's delete this because we are going to sell information products. Okay, now let's enter your best email address. Now I've noticed that on a lot of the ClickFunnels like stuff, copy, it says here best email address. So I'm assuming that that like converts better. So we're just going to leave that. Now, I'm a perfectionist, and I personally think this is too much white space in here. So I'm going to adjust it a little bit. Yeah, I just want it to be even, you know, like have that be even with this, which maybe still a little bit more here, but I think it's fine. I'm happy with that. And we'll send it instantly to your inbox. That's fine. Click to sign up. That's fine. Now, okay, so let's see. What we could do, there's two options we could do, right? We can add an image here that will like reference some sort of book, like you've seen like the 3D book covers. Let me see if I have one here. How do I do this? There's a way to add an element. Image, we just drag that, I think. Oh, well, whatever, let's put it here. And then I think we can drag it here, maybe. Yeah, okay, cool. So I probably could have just done that from the beginning. Anyway, click on this. Now this is just a placeholder image. Like, let's just do this one. It's like top secret. All right, looks like shit, but you get the idea. Maybe we could even change shocking truth to like top secret strategy. Right, if we go top secret strategy. Okay, just so it's congruent. Now obviously this would like, you know, make this look better. Like white background here doesn't look very good, but you get the idea. Maybe like make this like a virtual book cover or something, but let's just go with it for now. Copyright by ClickFunnels. No, we don't want that. Let's call these top secret funnels. And to stay relevant, why don't we change that to 2019? Facebook, Twitter, Google, like, does anybody actually click these? Probably not. So, I mean, I guess if you really want to be pedantic, you can delete it. So let's just do that. Why not? And then that, I guess, looks fine, right? Yeah, that's fine. Nobody really cares anyway. This is what they're looking at, this right here. And then, like, let's say we actually, like, want to send them something when they, you know, do this. Like, let's say we actually have something. We are going to set action. Yeah, submit order form. That's actually correct. Just kidding. We're going to go to settings, general. And we're going to select a digital asset, right? So I'm just going to put this one. Let's say this is the $50 million shared funnel library, which is a document that I put together that has lots of funnels that have grossed over $1 million each. So you can download that in the description. Yeah, just, you know, trying to get that affiliate income. Okay, so affiliate badge show. No, I don't like to remind people that I'm going to make money if they do something. So that's just me. Now on submit, go to the next page, right? If you just leave this blank, it'll go to the next page in the funnel, which generally, if it's just a squeeze page, that's fine. And in order to get this digital asset thing to pop up, basically what you need to do is, I'm not going to do it, but like you go to digital assets. Well, I'll just show you anyway, why not? Go to digital assets, click on new asset, and you fill this out, upload your file, and that's it. It will like email them something, right? So what I like to do is in the message here, I like to say, hey, here's your PDF, right? And then give them links to a few more resources, right? Because you don't want to only give them the PDF, for example, right? You want to give them some other trails of breadcrumbs to follow. And then if you want, you can tell them, like, instead of this, you can say, make sure you check your spam folder, because sometimes it does go to spam. And also make sure that you change your SEO metadata. Otherwise, you see where it says my awesome landing page? That's like, this is bad, change that. So let's say, get your free PDF, maybe, how about your free, I don't know, elite marketing strategies. And then description, you need to change this, because if you, let's say you post a link to this page on Facebook, for example, the title, I'm like pointing at this, like you can see me pointing. The title and the description will show on Facebook. So if this is just like, fuck you, then that's what people are going to see. So you need to change it to like, I don't know, in this amazing 50+ page report, we give you the exact strategies that, I don't know, top level marketers like Grant Cardone and Tony Robbins use to 10x, to maximize their, revenue without using paid ads. Whatever, it doesn't matter what you write, just needs to look kind of salesy. And ideally it should be congruent with this. So like, get 10x more visitors to your website without paid ads. Whatever, I'm fine with that. But in general, it should be like similar. Oh, my nose itches. All right, but let's leave it like that. That should be fine. Okay, that's our squeeze page. It's not beautiful, but like I would say other than this, like white border right here, instead of it actually being a book, I think it's good. I think this will actually crush. Now, if we want to, like, let's say we don't want to bother like with this, right? What we can do is we can add new row. Let's do, oh my God, what did I do? I think here, right? Now, what we can do now, how do I do this? I want to move this. No. I want to, well, whatever, we'll do it the long way. How do I want to select this box. Well, anyway, I was going to say I can select this box and like put this box here. Maybe there's a way to like, to do that. I don't know how. Select box maybe? Oh no, that's a select box. SMS sign up countdown. Huh. Well, whatever. I don't know how to do it, so we're just going to stick with this for now. Anyway, basically what I've learned about funnel building is like you do need to tweak, and like ideally you always want to be working on it. But in general, like don't let your tendency to want to be a perfectionist stop you from, just making something and pushing traffic to it. Like even as shitty as this looks, like this is really bothering me, but even looking like this, I'll still get opt-ins from this, because people at the end of the day, they don't care. They might mildly note that this looks awful, or they might not care. But if they want that top secret strategy bad enough, they're gonna fill out their email address, like, and this doesn't even matter. Yeah, so that's how you make a squeeze page. And there is a way, let's see, we've got like, you can make a thank you page also. But like, who cares about that, right? Like, we're talking about the squeeze page. I'll make another video with how to do a thank you page. So anyway, if you guys want this awesome funnel that I just made for some reason, you maybe want to tweak it a little bit, I'll put a link in the description. I'll also put a link to this funnel that you can steal from me as well. And oh my God, I'm actually like so crazy because I'm going to give you a document with 50 free shared funnels that have grossed over $1 million. They're like so amazing, will totally change your life. You'll become like a millionaire overnight. No, you actually won't, but you could if you do it right. Yeah, anyway, I'll put a lot of free resources for you in the description that you can use if you're smart. Yeah, if you're smart. If you're stupid, you won't like it. Okay, anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.